Hey, what's up folks, welcome back to another tutorial of Bootstrap components, and in this tutorial we are gonna learn about Breadcrumb, Pagination, Pagure, and Wedges. So let's not talk about this, let's work on it. First we are gonna come up with an ordered list, and we're gonna say class and say Breadcrumb, and inside there we are gonna say list item, and we're gonna come up with a link inside the list item, and list item should have a class. Let's get no, I guess no, it shouldn't have a class. So you're gonna say first is, so breadcrumb is used to actually design your URL, kind of like when you're entering a video it should be under a course, right? So it should some things like home, course, and video, the URL. So after watching the video I think it will be much more clear. Let's say home and copy it. So after the home it comes the course, copy and paste, and say what should be like the video. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's go back and see. I have saved it and refresh it. So you can see the directory right now, which is really awesome. You can see something like a background, blue background. So you can see it is something indicating that it's the video is under the subdirectory of course, and which is home is the root directory. So this is awesome. Let's go back and learn pagination. To learn about the pagination, I will delete this and I will add to be our tag for our better padding or something, and we will say nav, come up with a nav. I will put a space here, and inside the nav I'm gonna come up with ul unordered list, and inside the ul I'm gonna say class and say pagination. So I'm having a class with pagination, and what I'm gonna do over here is that I'm gonna first come up with some list item, and inside the list item I'm gonna come up with link. So the link should be something like, I'm gonna say 1, since it is pagination, so it should be page 1, page 2, page 3, something like that, right? So I'll take until page 4, and let's go back, save it first, and see how the browser responds. So you can see this, there are some pages over here. It's showing, you can have it inside your browser for indicating the pages, but we want to have something like angle quote, left angle quote, and the right angle quote, which is double quote. So to do this, let's go back. So we are gonna have it above, and we another right angle quote we are gonna have it below. So we are gonna take the list item, and inside the list item we are gonna say span, and inside the span we are gonna say and or ampersand left angle quote and semicolon or semicolon, whatever it is. Copy it and paste it. So it's left angle quote, but on the right side it should be right angle quote. So for this you're gonna say R and save it and go back and refresh it. We are having 2 quote, angle quote. So this is awesome, right? I hope that you guys like it. And right now what I'm gonna do over here is that, okay, we did something wrong here. Actually we had to put something inside the right angle and the left angle quote. To have this you can simply put something like that. Okay, right now it is the kind of like URL. I think it should be fine. And okay, let's go back and refresh it. Okay, there is something wrong because we need to put the end tag over here. I hope that this thing should work right now perfectly, and it's working perfectly. So it's a link right now. Let's go back, and right now we are gonna work on the pager. To work on the pager, we are gonna delete this one, and we are gonna take another nav, and inside the nav we are gonna say unordered list, and inside the unordered list we are gonna say class and pager, and we are gonna take listed item. So basically pager is something like showing, indicating the next page and the previous page. So we are gonna have two items, which is first of all the next page, and another listed item should be previous page. Oh, okay, it should be next page, and this one should be previous page. Okay, save it and go back and see. Boom, nothing. So there is something previous page and next page. We want this previous page to be here and next page to be here, and also with some kind of like bootstrap design. So let's go back, and you're gonna say something here, which is class, and we're gonna say previous, which is bootstrap class next, and save it. And if you go back, refresh it, okay, something happened here. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Something happened. I hope no. Okay, let's make it as a link and put this previous inside this one. Link tag. Cut this one and take a link and put this inside this one. Save it, go back and refresh it. Right now you can see two awesome links, which is indicating like going to next page and going to previous page. I hope that this is awesome and you like it. Let's go back to the badges, to go back and delete this all. To learn about the badges, what I'm gonna do over here is that I'm gonna take a button, and I'm gonna say type button type should be submit or button. Okay, and inside the class I'm gonna say button success, or button primary should be better. It will be a blue color button. And after that, what I'm gonna do over here is that I'm gonna say message. So it's a button message. I want something to be popped up. I want something to be shown beside the message, like how many messages have arrived. To do this, what I'm gonna do is span. I'm gonna take span. I'm gonna take a span, and inside the span I'm gonna say class badge, and I'm gonna say right now how many messages arrives, like 57. I don't know, I never get any message, which is really unlucky. Let's save it and go to the browser and refresh it, so you can see the nice and cool button with something showing up beside message and 57 message. This is cool. You can play with it with it a lot, and I hope that you guys like it. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, and see you into the next tutorial. Till then, take care.